Benefits, I mean, all this is good, but how does it benefit you, right? So these are some numbers we've seen. 2 to 5% energy reduction, breakdowns reduction by about 20%, which that's year on year we've seen. The system gives you an automated ticketing system. You don't need a separate ticketing system. Or if you may say that I already have a big ticketing system in place in which we can simply push our tickets to your system. You can have centralized energy optimization, energy benchmarking. You can look at the machine run hours, all the examples that I talk about. And if your systems can actually, provide production data also, right? So somebody wants to understand that what is my energy consumption per ton of my output. I'm just taking one example. As long as you can give that data to our system, in form of a, automated pull or a manual entry, a report can be created automatically the next day for you, which will tell you what is my energy consumption per ton of output. And if there are different types of materials, let's say it's a injection molding plant, the energy consumption is going to be a function of, what is the raw material that you're putting in? Is it polypropylene or is it something else? So if you tell me that, what is the energy, what is the production output of each of these type of materials, then we can easily correlate that and tell you that, what is your energy consumption, because these are the things that will help you improve. And we know that industrial environments have very, very tight P&L. The margins are razor thin. So even if you can make a dent on your energy consumption, as low as even 2-3%, that really improves your overall